Place coffee on a paper towel, and you won't believe the result. After learning this from an aunt who lives in the countryside, I've never had this issue in my house again. I bet you've never used coffee and paper towels this way, but once you find out what it's for, undoubtedly, you'll want to try it in your home as soon as possible. For this tip, we'll need a roll of paper towels. Actually, let's just take one sheet. Grab the paper towel sheet and lay it as flat as possible. Smooth it out with your hand until the paper is well stretched. Having done that, we'll now use coffee powder. If you prefer, you can also use coffee grounds, which works just as well. Let's place the coffee in the center of the paper towel, away from the edges, creating a neat row right in the middle, like this. Now we'll also need cloves. This item is essential for our tip. Add some cloves on top of the coffee powder. There's no exact amount, feel free to use a handful of cloves. And look, it should look like this. All you need to do now is roll it up. It's crucial to fold the entire paper, just as I'm doing. I can imagine you must be curious, wondering what all of this is for. I'll show you shortly. We're finishing the steps and getting to the main part. It should look like this. Place our tip on a glass or porcelain container. Finally, let's use toothpaste. Take a bit of toothpaste with your fingers and spread it all over the paper. I'm using this white paste, but you can use whatever you have at home. With that done, our tip is ready. Now just light both ends. You don't need to let it flame up. In fact, it shouldn't be in flames, just smoldering. If that happens, simply blow on it because what we need is just the smoke. And here, folks, what we've just done is a powerful homemade repellent. That's right. This will ward off all kinds of insects, such as mosquitoes, gnats, bees, wasps, and even cockroaches and some types of spiders. The toothpaste functions to slightly inhibit the smell of burning paper. The clove has a very pleasant aroma, besides being a powerful natural repellent. Teamed up with the coffee, it will help keep all sorts of insects away from your home. This tip is simply fantastic. It's widely used in fields and farms, as these environments tend to be conducive to various insects. It will undoubtedly solve your problem, especially with mosquitoes and persistent gnats. So, don't miss out on trying this wonderful trick at home. You'll surely love the results, and it saves you money compared to products that claim to protect against the same.